So, checked my Alda, and the hose that was going to it was oversized, and they had a clamp on it, so changed that out. And I don't think it was sealing. And it's driving very well, so I'm going to tell y'all when. Go. You can feel the boost now. I rebuilt the turbo. The first to second shift point is still a little sluggish, or still a little soon. All the others are shifting about right, about 4,200. And the first to second shifting about first to second is shifting about 3,500, which is a little bit low. I might need to adjust the vacuum modulator. I adjusted the boden cable and got the shift points up just a little bit, and that seemed to have helped quite a bit. I might try adjusting a little bit more, but I think that's going to raise the shift points for second, third, and fourth, and they're right where they should be. So I'm not inclined to do that. We might do it and just try it out, but the engine vibration that it used to have is a lot less now. You can still feel it a little bit, and so I'm wondering if two issues, one or three, that could have fixed it maybe. One, the turbo could have just been flooding the engine with oil, maybe, so it was over-fueling or something. I don't know. Or two, now that we're making some boost, that's keeping it from, maybe the engine was really lugging. Or three, now that the Alda, I'm pretty sure that hose wasn't sealing, so I don't think it was working at all. So maybe now the Alda, is giving it some more fuel. So maybe one of those things helped it, but man, it changed dramatically on its speed. Even, accelerating like that, it's not that bad. I'm not sure my kickdown switch is working, so I might need to adjust that. My steering's better. I've got still a little bit of slop in it. That's probably in the gearbox. I'll have to see if I can adjust it out, but it's pretty good. But I can't get over how quick it does, and you feel the turbo coming on. I need to put a boost gauge on it, and it's that first to second's really hurting it, I think, that early shift point, because you feel the boost coming on. It's like, maybe you can see it. I'll have to see it. I'll have to look at the RPMs and the speedometer and see if you can tell by then, but you feel it. You feel it all of a sudden start to pull more, as that turbo's spooling up, but then it shifts and you lose some of your boost, when the RPMs drop down. So I'll have to see if I can adjust that, but I'm actually surprised at how well it does. It really has made a difference in the way it drives. It went from really, really sluggish to not bad at all. I'll look back at the video, we'll see what the 0 to 60 time was, but really not that bad. We'll do it one more time. Yeah, and the steering, like I said, it's got a little bit of slop in it, but I think it's not centered for one thing, and I think if we center the steering wheel, it'll help a little bit. But I'll pick this back up when we're running again. We're just sitting at a light. Go. vibration being gone. I mean, it's pretty much non-existent now. You can feel it just a little bit, and I think motor mounts take care of that. But I really didn't expect that to be affected by, what all I did to it. So definitely plus overhauling the turbo. Thanks for watching.